Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Maxi, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com, Crocoin, Cronos Labs, because, guys, today, out of all of the cryptocurrencies across the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem and asset class, Crocoin is the #1 24-hour gainer, and we're going to talk about that. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. Okay, so over on crypto Twitter, follow me, 333blackc. I say bull posting Crow all day. I've made a few threads about Crocoin today. Some very, very bullish news coming about from Cronos Labs and Crypto.com. Chris Marszalek's AMA was absolutely fantastic. I think he did exactly what the Cronos community needed and wanted, and he's talking about Crocoin. Chris Marszalek, the CEO of Crypto.com, is bull posting Crow. I love it, guys. I love it. So in honor of that, I say I'm bull posting Crow all day. Is the $1 Crow coin dream real? Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that the $1 Crow coin dream is real? I think there's a very, very good chance, especially if Crypto.com can deliver on half of their 2025 roadmap for Cronos. Because, guys, there's a lot of bullish things. You got stocks being added to Crypto.com, okay? Equities, you can buy stocks, and there's bonuses. If you buy through your card, if you have a locked up card, you can get a 2.5% bonus on stock purchases. It's absolutely insane. Seeing a lot of this play out, Robinhood was one of the first exchanges to really bring that on, giving a 1% match if you were to move your IRA over, and I really like to see this direction that Crypto.com is doing. But really, guys, throughout the AMA, the most important thing that I noticed was that Chris Marszalek was talking about Crocoin, guys. You know, just a little shift in the overall cryptocurrency space with regulation, and all of a sudden there's some hope for crypto. And I think that is letting these huge cryptocurrency exchanges and these cryptocurrency projects actually have some breathing room and actually be able to move forward and not just focus on, okay, what do we do to not go to jail because we don't know what the rules are, and more so of, okay, we're going to get some clarity on regulation, so why don't we focus on creating a better product for the customer? And that's what we're seeing play out here. So let's take a look at Crocoin. Guys, we're rank 32 now. Yesterday, we were rank 42, okay? So we jumped up 10 ranks. A nice 55% gain on the 7-day, okay? 22.2% gain in 24 hours. Now, I did say the biggest gainer across the board in cryptocurrency, let's say in the top 100, because, you know, some meme coins that are illiquid can go up thousands of percent. But in the coins that matter, okay, Crocoin is the #1 gainer, guys. It's absolutely incredible to see that right now. Up at 11 cents, almost 12 cents. You're looking at this 24-hour volume, $185 million, guys. The bull market is coming. The bull market is here. This next phase is going to be absolutely crazy. We need to be locked in. We need to be making sure that we're taking profit along the way, guys. Because, yes, this is a time where dips are for buying, but eventually the party will stop. Don't want to rain any parades, but, guys, it's very important we talk about this. So, sitting at a $3 billion market cap, guys, Cronos added $1 billion to its market cap, okay? Absolutely insane. They're talking about Cronos burns. The Crow fam came together. We got behind the burn proposal, and they listened, guys. They're listening to the community. Crocoin is going to do very well here. I'm very excited about it. When you look at Crocoin's chart as well, we're looking at the daily time frame. Look at these candles. Look at these candles right through. You know, I said, guys, if we break above the 0.0830, we were going to go straight to about 10 cents. And that's exactly what we did. This yellow line is the make or break for us. And below it, I said, you know, if we're breaking below this here, we're going to make our way to 6.0689 cents. And if we break above it, the magnet is at about 10 cents. And we are breaking above that, guys. Let's see these daily candle closures above here. You know, we need to be looking at Bitcoin dominance as well, because as Bitcoin dominance does start to fall, that's when I do expect massive moves here for Crocoin and for other altcoins as well, a true altcoin season. But I'm not just sold on it just yet. Bitcoin is making new all-time highs as recording of this video, over $77,000. Probably expect continuation with that. We'll take a look at Bitcoin shortly. But when Bitcoin dominance does fall, then I expect Crocoin to absolutely go to the moon. And if you guys want to take advantage of some massive moves in this market to the upside, you want to leverage long, or you want to short because you want to catch the top and you want to short it to zero. If you think some meme coins are going to zero, then check out in the description box below. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin. All you do is click that link, deposit, trade a little bit. You get a bunch of free money, guys. Please leverage trade at your own risk. It's a very useful tool, but it can be very risky. So please, guys, be careful, but take advantage of that free money. Click those links, deposit, trade a little bit. So where is Bitcoin, guys? Just barely below $77,000 right now, all right? Bitcoin dominance sitting at 58.73%. Exclude stablecoins, we're basically at 61%, guys. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. It's so funny that this just turned red. It's nothing. It's nothing, guys. We just broke all-time highs like 30 minutes ago. But Bitcoin dominance topping out between 60 and 63%. I've been calling for that for a while. It could give or take another percent. It could maybe go to 65%. That'd be absolutely insane in my opinion. Maybe if Bitcoin just starts going on a tear straight to 100,000 here in the next week or so, I think there's a low likelihood of that, but I think there's a high likelihood that Bitcoin does absorb a little bit more liquidity here and make some bigger moves to the upside, but 100K is a little bit out of reach for, I think, November. I could be wrong, but I think that'd be a little bit too much hopium, if you will. But guys, we need to be paying attention to Bitcoin dominance. We're getting ready to break down on Bitcoin dominance, and when that does happen, you're going to see Crocoin make some absolutely massive moves, especially when you couple that with all the great news that Cronos Labs has just came out with. When we look at Bitcoin right now, we are making daily candle closures above the broadening wedge, this very key resistance level. This is signal, guys. This is signal for continuation of the upside on the daily. But when you look at higher time frames, we're looking at the weekly, guys. We have 2 days and 4 hours, okay? 2 days and 4 hours to close above $72,000. If we close a full body candle close above $72,000, guys, on the weekly in the next 2 days and 4 hours, my next target is going to be $85,000, okay? And that probably will absorb a lot of liquidity. Bitcoin dominance may rally, especially if it's a swift move straight up. But regardless, after Bitcoin cools off, after it has face-ripping rallies, then I expect Crocoin to make absolutely massive moves, because I do believe, guys, that this is the last impulse wave of this cycle. I really want to hone in on that. We've been talking about for a while now, leading in, when we've been talking about Cronos on the Crypto Report for literally years at this point. And Crypto.com performs the best at the end of the bull market, when retail FOMO is at maximum peak, and when people are searching crypto on Google, and the first thing that they see is Crypto.com. So guys, be prepared for some absolutely massive moves. Take profit along the way. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.